Hello and welcome to How Logical. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can download your TikTok data. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First and foremost, what you need to do is open up TikTok on your phone. Then you can see the profile icon on the bottom right hand corner. Go ahead and tap on it. And you can just go ahead and click on the three lines on the top right hand side and see the settings and privacy. Go ahead and tap on it. And then you can see account. Go ahead and tap on account. Then what you need to do is click on download your data. You can get a copy of your data from all of your TikTok apps that you have used. So go ahead and tap on download your data. You should request for data. So you can select the data to download. Some of it are all and custom. So you can get all of your posted TikToks, your activities such as likes, comments, favorites, and your direct messages. So go ahead and tap on request data. Wait for a while and your data will be downloaded after it has been processed. So wait for a while, your data will be downloaded as it will be ready. This was a video on how you can download your data on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.